Hello everyone. I did a Roku review the other day, and I found out some new information since then, and that is that Roku has a Android app and an iPhone app or iPad app or iTunes app, whatever you want to call it. And it's a remote that's fully featured and has some pretty neat features on it. So here's the regular remote, and it's pretty, basic, but it's still a very nice remote because it's a wireless remote. It doesn't require, it's radio, not infrared, so it doesn't require you to point it at the device, which allows you to hide the device and also makes it a lot easier to use the Roku 2 XS. Okay, so let's go take a look at my Apple remote. So I'm going to hit Roku there, and there it is, booting up. And there's my Roku channels. I go to the remote. It's pretty basic that way. Now, it's exactly the same as the Android device from what I can tell. So I'm going to use the Android device instead of the iPhone to display this to you because it's bigger. Now this is my rooted Nook tablet, and it's got Android on it. So there's a remote for the Roku. Now when you first install this device, you're going to have to sign into your account and then find your device. Let's see if I can show you that. Okay, so there's my device. Okay, it allowed me to rename it, and so I call it my Roku. And it's basically at the bottom you see find Roku player. We're not going to hit that button, but you need to do that if you on your first install. Okay, so let's get out of here. Okay, so there's your full remote, which is pretty cool. And let's see, your channels, they all are awesome. There's the channel store, so you can buy or choose new channels. Some of them, a lot of them are free, and here's a really cool feature. Play on Roku. What this allows you to do is to play music or put photos from your iPhone or Android device onto your television, which is really cool. Let me see, I'll show you one here. Let's go with music. Song. Anything will do. Yeah, about some DC there. Well, that sound's coming out of my television right now. Let me show you. So, pretty cool. It tells you, what tune's playing, and bounces it around the screen to make it a screensaver. So, the same thing can be done with photos. So we'll go back, and there it says, probably can't see it, let's bring it back. Roku, there, photos. I'll choose a photo, like Led Zeppelin, that's pretty cool. And now that picture's up on my television. So that's pretty cool. So if you have photos that you've taken with your Android device or your iPhone, the Roku will allow you with this remote to show them on your television. So let's go back. Let's go to Roku. So, another really neat feature, let's go back to remote, is the keyboard. Now you have a full keyboard to do your searches with, so you don't have to go, thumbing through a on-screen keyboard using the cursor keys on a little remote like that. Okay, so the Roku app is awesome. It's definitely an enhancement to the device, and another plus about having a Roku 2 XS device. I've done a full review on the Roku 2 XS on another video, but I just wanted to show you this because it's such a major plus, especially when you're searching for programs, having the keyboard availability, and also gives you the ability to have multiple remotes. Before I used to have one remote, now I have 3. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and watch my other videos on this Roku. Thanks.